Hello everyone. For this topic, I'll be teaching you how to combine text from your files into one document. So let's say you're working in a group, tapos each group member ay mayroong output. So yung output na yun is in Microsoft Word. So let's say kailangan nyo i-combine yung mga output or reports nyo. So you can use one feature of Microsoft Word para makombine nyo yung mga gawa nyo. So let's assume dito sa topic na to na we have 3 documents tapos i-combine natin sila. So as you can see, I have a blank document here. Tapos lalagyan ko lang ng topic 1 na may heading style. I'll make it bold and I'll make it bigger and centered. I'll change the font style into this one. And dito, since wala naman akong text, I'll be using a function for Microsoft Word which is called rand or random. So it should be equals rand, open parentheses, 10, comma, 2, then close parentheses, and then press enter key. This means na you wanna have 10 paragraphs that has at least 2 lines of text. So when you press the enter key, Microsoft Word will generate a random text with 10 paragraphs and at least 2 lines for each paragraph. So I'll select all this muna and then let's apply spacing. I'll click here, line space options, and make the spacing 6, 6. There. So as you can see, yan, ito yung first paragraph, second paragraph, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, yan, hanggang 10 yan. Again, random text lang to, generated by Microsoft Word. So what if I'll change this into 100 and then 3? So meaning 100 paragraph with at least 3 lines each. So again, let's apply spacing para mas maganda tingnan yung mga text natin. So let's click this and apply 1.5, or let's click on line spacing, same. Let's apply 6 before and after. Click on OK. Yan. Or maybe let's add line space of 1.5. Tapos same before and after each paragraph, we'll have 6 or we'll have 12 para mas malaki yung spacing. Ayan. So readable na yung text natin. So this is for our topic 1. So as you can see, yan, ito na yung pages natin. Again, take note, sample lang ito. Random text ito from Microsoft Word. So I'll save this document. I'll name it topic 1. I'll save it in my folder. And then save. Next is to create another document. So I'll name it topic 2. Same, I'll apply heading 1, make it bold, make it bigger, centered, and change the font style. And so as you can see dito, Same sila ng formatting ng heading natin. So I'll just click on clear formatting button para bumalik siya sa kalibre and size 12. Now I'll use again the random function equals rand. This time I need 200 paragraphs and 2 lines each, at least 2 lines each. Next is select all. I'll apply line spacing and I'll make this 6. Click on OK. So now we have our second document. So I'll remove additional space here. Okay. So let's assume this is the output of the second member of your group. So I'll save it. I'll name it topic 2 and click on save button. Last, let's create the third document. Same, let's put topic 3, heading, font style, make it bigger, centered, and bold. For this one, so I'll apply clear formatting. So this, I'll use the random of, let's say, 50 paragraphs with 5 lines each. So this is our random text. I'll apply line spacing of 1.5 and 6 for before and after the paragraph. Click on OK. I'll remove additional spacing here. Okay. And save the document. Name it topic 3. And click on the save button. So ngayon, gusto nyo nang i-combine yung mga ginawa nyong reports or documents. So I have here a new document. Dito ko i-combine yung tatlong document na ginawa natin. I'll go to insert and then this one and click on text from file. I'll locate the file sa folder ko and then I'll click on topic 1. So dito pa isa-isa lang yung document na pwede nyong ma-select. So first, I'll click on topic 1, click on OK, and then I'll do it again. Click here, text from file, locate the folder, click on topic 2, do it again for the third time. Since we have again 3 documents, topic 3 naman. Yan. So, as you can see, ganun lang kadali yung pag-combine ng documents sa Microsoft Word. You can still open the file, copy it, paste it here. Walang problema. But this one is more convenient, diba? So instead of opening it, copy, pasting, closing it again, look for another file, you can just use this text from file function of Microsoft Word. So when we print preview, as you can see, we now have 42 pages. The documents 1, 2, and 3 are combined. So that's how easy it is to combine your documents in Microsoft Word. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.